If you're thinking about buying MarketerHire, there are 7 key things you need to know before you make that decision. Whether you're a business owner or a digital marketing professional, understanding these insights will help you make the right call. Stay with me until the end, because there's a way to try it completely free that could give you some exclusive benefits. The first thing to know is that MarketerHire is a platform that connects businesses with top-tier freelance marketers. Now, you may be wondering how this stacks up against other freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Unlike those sites, MarketerHire specializes in marketing professionals, so you're not sifting through a wide range of generalists. This focus means the talent pool is more qualified, making it easier to find someone who truly understands your business's unique needs. And the best part, you're not dealing with an endless back and forth to find the right fit. It's more efficient, which is critical when you're working in the fast-paced marketing world. Next thing, MarketerHire vets every freelancer before they can even join the platform. You're not just getting someone who says they have experience, they've already gone through a rigorous screening process. This is a huge benefit compared to other platforms where you have to do all the vetting yourself. MarketerHire handles the hard part of filtering out candidates who aren't up to par, so you can be confident that the person you hire has real expertise in digital marketing. The third thing to keep in mind is the flexibility MarketerHire offers. Whether you need someone for a specific project or an ongoing partnership, it's easy to scale up or down based on your needs. Unlike traditional agencies that lock you into long-term contracts, MarketerHire lets you hire marketers for specific periods, giving you the freedom to adjust as your business evolves. This flexibility is especially important if you're testing out a new strategy or marketing channel and need the ability to pivot quickly. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Compared to traditional agencies, MarketerHire is often more cost-effective, especially when you're hiring for specific skills. Agencies usually come with hefty overhead costs that you're forced to cover. With MarketerHire, you only pay for the time your freelancer spends on the project, and you get the benefit of working with seasoned marketers without the extra agency fees. However, it's important to note that the platform's pricing can be on the higher end compared to other freelance sites. But given the level of expertise and specialized service, it's an investment that could pay off in the long run. Another thing worth mentioning is that MarketerHire offers a risk-free trial. This is one of the major perks of using this platform that you don't typically get with other freelance platforms or marketing agencies. You get to see if the freelancer fits your needs before committing to anything long-term. If things don't work out with your freelancer, you can make adjustments and try a different expert without losing your investment. This makes the decision-making process a lot less stressful. The sixth thing you should know is that MarketerHire has a wide range of marketing specializations available. Whether you need someone who's skilled in paid media, SEO, content marketing, email campaigns, or even growth hacking, there's an expert available to meet your specific needs. This kind of specialization is a huge advantage when compared to other platforms where you may find someone who claims to be skilled in everything but doesn't actually excel at any one thing. The final thing to consider is that MarketerHire works with businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup looking to scale or a large enterprise in need of specialized marketing support, you can find the right freelancer for your needs. Unlike other platforms that cater mainly to smaller businesses or individual marketers, MarketerHire is capable of handling the needs of larger corporations too. This versatility makes it a great choice no matter where you are in your business's journey. If you're ready to see if MarketerHire is right for you, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial available. You'll also gain access to some exclusive benefits that could make your decision even easier. Don't miss out on this opportunity to work with top-tier marketing professionals who are ready to help grow your business. Try MarketerHire today